Welcome to the project demonstration of rooftop antenna controlling through IR signals. So here main antenna purpose is to receive the IR signals and controlling the direction of this antenna with help of two DC motors. So the DC motor will use it to control in left and direction, and this one is up and down rotations. So these two DC motors interface to the PIC microcontroller, that is PIC 1673 microcontroller, through this L293D motor driver. So this is a DC motor driver which can use it to control the two DC motors in bidirectional. And here we are going to provide the 5 volts power supply to these two DC motors from this adapter. So the adapter will take 230 volts input and it will step down and regulate, and then we will get the 5 volts constant regulated power supply. And when the microcontroller get the 5 volts power supply, it start reading input from this IR receivers, and this is the IR transmitter. So based on the signal receiving, we are going to display the status on this 16:2 LCD display, and also buzzer indicated whenever it received the valid IR signals. So for demonstration purpose, we are programmed the IR signal for these 4 buttons. So there are the 4 up, down and left, right. So these 4 buttons are programmed. So when it receives the valid signal, then only the buzzer will be indicated, and also on the LCD will display the signal received, like otherwise it will display the waiting for the signal. And coming to this interfacing connections, we interface the buzzer and LED indication at C4 pin of our microcontroller, and this particular IR receiver, that is it is a TSOP1738, is a thin small outline package. It's very interfaced at B0 pin of our microcontroller and LCD at B2 to B7. And also there are 2 limit switches to limit this rotations, to set the limits. Okay, and coming to this motherboard, there will be one reset switch in order to restart the microcontroller, and this one is a crystal oscillator to provide the 20 megahertz of oscillating frequency to the microcontroller. So let us see the demonstration. When we switch on the gate, there will be a welcome message on our screen, and buzzer will be on and off 2 times. Right, so we can see the welcome message on the screen. Just this is the reset button, right, and waiting for the signal. So just when the signal is received, valid signal, so if I press any button, so there is no signal receiving. When I press this program buttons, so you can see that, and the particular number also will be displayed over there, particular buttons, and there we can control the angle of our TV, this antenna. So what is signal we are receiving, that particular number is displaying on the LCD screen. Right. So in this manner we are going to control the, right, you can see the LED indication also. Done. Right, thank you.